Shalom, shalom. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers, baby. Look, we don't do that legal shit. We don't give out no legal advice. You know what I mean? We the law over here. We lay down the law, goddammit. Cause legal ain't law. Anyway, we reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything to go with it. You're gonna love this video today. You're gonna learn something. You're gonna learn that it's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. And I'm gonna tell y'all, if Madonna can get on national TV and say she dare to drop a bomb on the White House and use that word bomb, and then get on YouTube and fuck with Shamstoppers content, we got a problem, America. If a bitch can talk out of turn, every bitch that talk out of turn against a man need to be punched, need their teeth knocked out they goddamn duty hole. Real talk, she need to be toothless, teethless, whatever the fuck. Title of this video is how to handle yourself in court. Anyway, now look at this shit. This is the application. Now, okay. This is the apple, all right? This is the apple. So you got Eve over here, and you got Adam right here. So it's in between us. Who goes for the apple first? Huh? Put your thinking caps on, people, fellas. Fellas, put your thinking cap on. That woman take her stanky ass gnarled fingers, like Cat Williams said, you know, and feel this shit out. But hey, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all a joke in a minute. But look, she fills out this shit. Look, mother, father information. It ain't used to be that way. They changing shit now because they know what time it is. Look at that. Do you have sex? Y'all having too much sex with females. Because the more and more you have sex with these females, the more and more you get pussy, you turn pussy. Okay? Check this out. Are you seeking child support from this parent? That should tell you, fellas, it's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. If y'all had a chance to put her on child support, how you think she would have reacted? I can't believe he put me on child support. I can't believe this. Yeah, bitch. See, a woman wants to throw out dirty shit. She like to chunk it out, but when it comes back to her, she can't take it. So, bitches, if you listening to this and you got a dirty deed, don't dish shit that you cannot take. You feel me? If you can't take a horse cop, don't ask for one. Anyway, Social Security number, that's the big thing right there. That Social Security accounting number. Yes, sir. Fellas, do the math. Okay? Look at that. They want all of your cell phone number, your driver's license number. That's when you sleep, she going through your pants. You know what I mean? Look, you ain't got the Social Security number. The woman keep up with that shit. Look at this shit. And then on some of the applications they took off, you sign this information that you provide under penalty and perjury. And it also says in some of these applications that they don't represent the mother. They only represent the mother in family court. But when you take them in federal court, they throw her ass up under the bus and they saving their own ass. Because these bitches can't read. Women really can't read. They can't. Because if women can read, they learn how to do that constitution and they won't be fucking over your shit. But, hey, we got to throw the evil people out here first. Right? Right. Now, let's get on this bitch. Yeah, I said it. This a bitch. And y'all, for all you sensitive dudes, you call it, oh, bitch. Let her do something dirty to your ass. Let her cut your dick off. What you gonna call it in? Huh? Look, I'm gonna tell y'all something. She like running her mouth, and the best thing to put in her mouth is a cock. Okay? She ready for it too. She saying cheese. Say cheese, bitch. She saying it. But anyway, Kish told me a joke, man. Well, it really wasn't no joke, but it was powerful than a joke. And I'm like, fuck. He said, look, why? Why do you think so many women want to be lawyers? I said, shit, because they want power. Yeah, let me tell you the real reason. I said, what's that? He said, because they want to argue. These bitches like to argue. Because she gonna mix her beliefs and her emotions with facts. You cannot base facts off your feelings and emotions. No, they don't. That's commingling. You know what I mean? That shit don't mix. Now, let's get on with this. Get on.
Shining the light on unpaid child support, an epidemic right here locally. Our next case involves a man who's $10,000 behind on his payments, and now he's run into even more problems after getting locked up in jail in Shelby County. Here's Judge Erica Lee Williams presiding over the case of Reginald Bush.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. Okay. Got some problems going on.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so let's start with this. You've been in TIA before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When was that?
2009.
Tia, turn it around. Shit, he ought to be telling her ass to turn around in that motherfucking gospel robe and give her that fucking dick up there. You know what I mean? Bitch, you turn around, let me fuck you. Shit, the niggas ain't like that no more. Niggas is, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Would you like me to fuck you with this dildo, sir? Yeah, ma'am. Anyway, continue.
Around that time?
2009-ish.
Yes, ma'am.
2009, sometime there.
Now, he said 2009-ish. Nigga, 2009 ain't no fucking time. 2009, player. And then for one thing, she is doing the asking and he is doing the answering. When you go in there, you supposed to be doing the asking and she's supposed to be doing the answering because she's supposed to go off what you have your facts together. Not your feelings, not your emotions.
All right. Are you working?
No, ma'am, not currently. I just lost a job because I had got locked up.
Okay.
And did 2 days and had to pay the tune to the tune of $794 to get out to try to keep my job.
What was the $794 for?
For out of county warrant or bond, or I can show you if you like.
And get to pay that.
Now, she just asked this nigga, is he working? That's a yes or no. I would have said, no, I'm in here talking to you, baby. What's up? I want to work that ass, though. Giving up all that goddamn free information, man. Fuck that pussy shit.
Yeah, that's where the money went to for that. Or the issue.
And they call, look, what they call what I'm doing is what they called it, radical. Now they call what he doing is complying. He's complying. You know what I mean? Yeah, they want you to be their bitch.
We're here today.
No, we're not here because you missed a payment. We're here because you've only made 3 payments in this year.
Well,
that's what we're here for. So it's not just because you missed August or September.
Well, I was paying currently up until January 7th when I got locked up in Shelby County. And then obviously from the 7th to March, I want to say like 13th, I do believe is what it was, is when I lost the job that I did have. And I came back, or I got back to Louisville and got a job in May, and I had to be here in courtroom in June, and I paid to the tune of $500. And
see, that's another no, fellas. You just keep going on and on. You sounding like a woman now. Learn how to say fucking no, my niggas. No. Are you working? No. Do you have any money? No. Are you gonna give me some, baby? Huh? Oh, you gonna go to jail listening to somebody. Nah, you gonna go to jail listening to these old pussy-fied ass niggas out here telling, and I'm gonna tell you something about your kinfolks and your family. Them the dumbest motherfuckers in your family, especially when they say, man, you need to get a lawyer. Stay away from that illiterate motherfucker, because this type of nigga that he get pulled over by the police, he'll give up your information and you'll have a ticket. I done heard this story too many times. When it's time for you to go lay down in that casket, your family ain't going with you. Cray cray.
Last time
$471.
Okay, well, about $500. Excuse me. And then, obviously, I got locked up again on August 14th and lost my job. And actually said I could pay monthly to the tune of $300. I had it saved up to pay and had to pay to get out of jail. So that's
okay. Well, you're not taking care of business, right? So but you're not taking care of business.
Well, I mean, I was taking care of business. She said I could pay monthly.
No, I'm talking about because you had a warrant. That you had to pay almost $800 for because you didn't do whatever you're supposed to do somewhere.
You hear that? All this shit is business. This is a business meeting. Business. Okay? This is business. And these niggas is suited up. They suited up for your dumb ass. Okay? That's what's going on. Now look at him, look at him. Ain't no difference between him and him. Only difference between them two guys, he got shit to read. He actually reading. And he suited up for him to give up that booty. And I ain't talking about no fag shit. I'm talking about booty means money. For you dumb motherfuckers out here. Look it up. Now, this is a heavily advanced channel. Okay? This ain't no little, I feel sorry for the mother shit. Nah, nigga, you keep feeling sorry, you're gonna be a sorry motherfucker. These bitches is out here destroying this country and you're letting them with your children.
But actually, it was a bond, and when I went to court, she said I had credit time served, so I was under the assumption that had all been taken care of.
Okay.
The lady said I could pay once a month as long as it was continuous, and my first month would have been July.
And then he said a lady said he can pay a woman, nigga. So a bitch gonna tell you what you can pay. Ain't no bitch gonna tell me what the fuck I can pay. Bitch, I pay you in fucking dick slaps. What the fuck wrong with you niggas, man? Stop listening to these old beta ass niggas out here. Cause they gonna keep you on the motherfucking payroll. On the stroll like a hoe. This is the pimp now. You niggas are the hoes. It's been reversed. Look, legalized pimps. That's what child support is, man. And then your bitch, the bitch, go set your ass up, do some old funky, make-believe ass love, and you ain't give her tough love.
I had saved, and then unfortunately I got locked up in August and had to pay July's portion and August's portion to get out of jail.
Now look at this shit right here. You see this going on back right here? While this shit going on, boy, they got a thing going on, boy. Got some pimps and hoes. Look at the hoes back here. Them all the hoes back there waiting up to get that booty. Yeah. You a deadbeat, right? Why the fuck would you want to get something from a deadbeat? If I call a bitch a deadbeat, I'm not gonna fuck with her no more. See, they calling you a deadbeat to make you feel your emotions and facts. They try to make your emotions blend in with some facts and say, hey, I gotta pay child support. I gotta do this. I gotta take care of my kid. Nigga, that shit ain't got nothing to do with them, because when you was in there fucking getting that nut, making John and Elizabeth, they went in there lubing your dick up, putting it back, tasting her shit. You know what I mean? Let's be real about this shit, man. I knew y'all was waiting on this how to handle court. I got another treat for y'all. Oh, I got another treat. But this one right here.
My job, which I ended up losing anyway.
Just for one child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I was to start a job last week, but the Saturday prior to, my girlfriend got in the car.
Now, what the fuck this bitch up here writing and signing? Huh? What the fuck? Like she just finna sign a multi-million-dollar contract with this nigga.
And almost killed herself, and I had to be at the hospital. Well, somebody had to be at the hospital where to help her get back on her feet. She broke her leg, cracked her ribs. They thought she dislocated or fractured her spine, but she said to go ahead and get my court issues out of the way and to.
Now he making up shit because he don't want to be a man. I had to be at the hospital with this bitch because she broke down, and then nigga, so what? Tell that bitch, hey, if I'm gonna pay for this, you gonna come down from that bench and suck my dick, and all the other hoes and my baby mama gonna suck my dick if I'm gonna pay for it. If you gonna pay shit, you can't say shit. Fellas, you are the payers. If you gonna pay this child support shit to these people, you better start making some demands. If not, stop paying the shit. That's how you handle court. If you say you're going to go to jail, shut the fuck up and stop talking about jail. Go say, hey, master, I'm ready to come in jail. I'm ready for my house and my Johnny sack. Quit making up fucking excuses to being a fucking man. If you want to volunteer and pay the bitch while she got your shit, she acting like your power of attorney. And if you gave her explicit authorization to speak on your behalf and give out your information, hey, pay the shit. But don't get mad at these alphas over here ain't paying the shit because we said, no, bitch, you want some money, go get a job. I ain't finna pimp my children out because you a sorry, lazy, deadbeat hoe. No, bitch, you the deadbeat.
Back. Hopefully I can start tonight or tomorrow. So.
And where's this going to be?
I think it's called Essex, somewhere off.
Now, this video is almost done. I got 2 minutes of getting y'all ass. God damn it. You want to come and join the party with us? Hey, come do it. If not, continue to do this shit here. Be a little hoe. Because that's a pimp right here. I don't give a fuck. These niggas is pimps. And that's a hoe. And this is a hoe. That's a pimp. And the main pimp is sitting up there with the goddamn cry robe, giving y'all this royal fucking. Okay? You want some of them sweet dickin' ass, booty ass channels? This is not the channel. Go to them other channels, go practice law. Go practice that shit. Go learn case law and all that shit. Go over there. This is the big dick channel. Go join the little dick channels. We slang meat and iron. Okay? Real talk. Iron sharpens iron over here. We don't want no hoobity boobity shit over here, and we not playing that booger booger shit over here. Bitch, if you want some money, you gotta twerk something. Simple as that. The bitch signed you up. Plain and simple and plain, goddammit. No fucking agency sign you up for shit. They ain't finna volunteer you for do shit because they gotta ask somebody about your crazy ass. Hit us up, comment, share, subscribe, like, peace.